been a long day under the sun. I've been polishing the car.
I'm exhausted, man.
And it looks great. Just take a look at it. It looks fantastic. Never mind the door. And you see the red, beautiful paint. It's shiny once again.
Yeah, I did a great job, man.
Just take a tour and look at this beauty. Looks fantastic. I'm so happy with the results. I think we're going to sell this car very easily. What left to do now is to take a test drive with this car.
Can I try driving?
There's great roads out there. There's a good B road out there.
Well,
Let's take it for a drive there.
Yeah, all right.
It's a nice day for it. So let's do it, man.
Yeah, let's take for a spin, man.
The car looks fantastic and it drives very well. So I hope we can find a new owner for this car.
The steering wheel?
Yeah, go ahead, sit it.
Oh. Isn't it obvious I have a license? Oh my god. What's this? No more pumping?
No more pumping. We're good.
My pleasure. And you can see the rust, I believe, right? What the fuck am I talking about?
I don't know, man.
Fix this car, man.
I got some wine and my water.
Oh.
I got some chocolate.
Oh.
Then I'll sit here on the ground
Oh, Zlatan drink.
next to my car. And then we do fika. That's how we do it in Sweden. And this will be the last episode for this season. So we will see you guys season 3. So take care. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Otherwise we won't be back.